Alright, Sunday, March 16th, 2014, about 4 o'clock p.m. It finally, once and for all, maybe, hopefully, stopped snowing. As you can see, we actually have a green field, though it is about 30 degrees outside, so we're feeling a little bit cold, but that's alright, because the field is clear. And by field, I mean the Rose-Hulman multi-purpose sports and recreational field, because right now they're having several baseball games throughout the day, every day. So for now, we just wanted to get outside. We wanted to test out on the grass. We wanted to make sure that moves all right on grass, can track something, say, oh, I don't know, that lacrosse post right there. Hopefully we'll put the robot right on that line, so it only sees one of those posts instead of both. Hopefully there's enough contrast between it and the trees behind it, and we'll be able to get a decent, look at it, decent drive towards it, and hopefully this rather patchy looking grass actually doesn't interfere with it too much. There we go. Yeah. He was doing it through LabVIEW. Hey, it went towards it. To test the GPS, and we are getting some fairly accurate readings. This field we are discovering and have decided that is too patchy to actually get some real accurate testings out of it. Definitely something we have to look into for the outdoor motors, because we're a little concerned about that. Hopefully we can resolve that by just moving to it over. It's really cold out here. We're gonna go inside now. So just as we were coming back, we accidentally got two of the wires connected together on the batteries, and now we've got a bit of a molten husk.
Can you just cut this and...
It could be going better. Yeah, so on closer inspection, we didn't really insulate our battery terminals, and let's see here, which one of these two? These two guys connected to one another, I do believe.
These two got welded together?
Yeah. So, all of a sudden we were carrying the robot back into the shop and it caught fire. And yeah, not one of our better days. We'll get back to it and we'll keep working. I want to mention quick, by the way, that during that fire, at the very least, everything was off and disconnected from the main circuit. So our motor controller, these three guys, all the different electrical systems on the robot itself should still be fine. It's just our poor batteries that we may have to replace depending on whether or not this test goes well. What does it read? 12.6. And?
12.6.
Cool. So the batteries are still okay?
In theory.
In theory. We just, caused a small fire is all. We just melted a little bit of insulation, burned through some wires.
Yeah, that's our main issue there.
Yeah, right about there. You can see it. It's not all that great. Certainly some acceptance.
Isolate your terminals.
Isolate the terminals, always. Just look at all the things we're learning during this senior design project.